Okay, we're back more with property management here, CJ Wells, and with our electrician that keeps our landlord properties humming along safely and affordably. We're going to take a look at another electrical, and then we're going to hear more from Jason as far as durations and some estimated ballpark prices. So here we are again, Jason.
Hi again. We noticed on our little trip around the property that this is another concern. This is an indoor rated keyless fixture with a lamp that has zero protection from the elements. Again, this could present a hazard for fire. Something we would look at to replace this. Fixtures, if anyone's been to Home Depot, you know they range from $20 to $300 for typical outdoor fixtures. So we would throw some options out there to allow you to explore those options. And then something as simple as this, we're looking at an hour's worth of time and a trip charge to come out and replace that. Same would go for the garage fixtures. On the service change end, these are small panels. Typically they run about $25 an amp.
And those panels are called what?
Just panel boards.
Are those the FPE?
Oh, the ones that are on this property are FPE panels. Yeah, the ones we discussed earlier that are also very hazardous or have been known to be.
Right, and they're hazardous because why?
The breakers were known to not trip during an overcurrent, causing that arc to continue to happen at the breaker service or at the bus, and then it ignites in a fire.
Okay.
Typically, a rule of thumb for a service change on any property is about $25 an amp. These were 100 amp panels, so give or take $2,500.
And the garage with the wiring?
Same thing.
With the extension cords being used?
I would put probably a 3-hour timetable on that, just to get us demoed of what was installed by the homeowner, and then penetrated through the walls and mounted and wired up correctly. I'd put about a 3-hour tag on that, and then again options on the owner for which fixture they'd like to purchase.
Okay, all right. And what about your response time when you need when a property manager like me needs you here?
We certainly will work with you as best we can. We are a medium and small commercial and residential property, so a lot of times we are on jobs, but in situations where emergencies come up, we can certainly make arrangements.
Outstanding. Okay. Thank you, Jason. And this is Jason at LionHeart Electrical. And these are the teammates we have as property manager. Stay tuned because we will have other videos to show you the rest of our team, which we have to keep our landlord properties repaired, maintained to code, and humming, keeping happy tenants. Thank you. This is JJ. This is CJ. Bye.